Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're integrating ECP with other SAP modules. This integration is crucial for organizations looking to streamline their HR and payroll processes while ensuring data accuracy and compliance. Introduction to integration. In this segment, we'll discuss the significance of integrating ECP with other SAP modules and how it can enhance overall business operations. What is SAP SuccessFactors ECP? SAP SuccessFactors ECP is a cloud-based payroll solution that provides organizations with real-time payroll processing and compliance management across multiple countries. It integrates seamlessly with other SAP modules, enabling a unified approach to HR management. Benefits of integration. 1. Unified data management. Integrating ECP with modules like SAP S/4HANA ensures that all employee master data is housed in one central location. This eliminates data silos and provides a single source of truth for HR and payroll information. 2. Streamline processes. With integrated systems, organizations can automate workflows across various functions, such as finance and talent management. For example, employee data from ECP can be replicated in SAP S/4HANA for financial planning and reporting, enhancing efficiency. 3. Real-time insights. The integration allows for real-time monitoring of payroll processes through the Payroll Control Center. This feature provides immediate insights into data quality and accuracy, enabling proactive management of payroll issues before they escalate. 4. Improved compliance. By integrating ECP with other SAP solutions, organizations can ensure compliance with local regulations more effectively. Automated updates related to tax laws and labor regulations are synchronized across systems, reducing the risk of non-compliance. Key integration scenarios. 1. Employee Central integration. Employee Central serves as the foundational module where all employee records are maintained. Integrating it with ECP allows for seamless data flow, ensuring that any updates in employee information are reflected in payroll calculations immediately. 2. Time tracking integration. The time tracking module integrates with ECP to provide accurate time data for payroll processing. This integration supports various business processes, including resource forecasting and shift planning, ensuring that all time-related data is accurately captured and processed. 3. Cross-module talent management. Integrating ECP with recruiting and onboarding modules enhances the overall employee lifecycle management. This ensures that new hires are set up correctly in the payroll system from day one, improving the onboarding experience. Best practices for successful integration. 1. Thorough planning. Before initiating integration, conduct a comprehensive analysis of existing processes to identify areas that will benefit most from integration. 2. Utilize packaged integrations. Leverage SAP's prepackaged integrations for seamless connectivity between ECP and other SAP modules like S/4HANA, which simplifies the setup process. 3. Regular updates and maintenance. Ensure that all integrated systems are regularly updated to accommodate changes in regulations or business processes. Conclusion. Integrating SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central Payroll with other SAP modules is essential for organizations aiming to enhance efficiency, accuracy, and compliance in their HR and payroll processes. By leveraging these integrations, businesses can create a cohesive ecosystem that supports their strategic goals. If you found this video informative, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights on SAP solutions, and hit the notification bell for updates. Thank you for watching.